Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to fix BBC News app not working. So our first solution is we need to update our BBC app. To do that, go to your Play Store, search for BBC News. If you see any update available, then update your BBC app from here and then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is we need to clear our BBC app cache files. To do that, open your phone settings, scroll down and search for app management. Once you get it, tap on that. Now tap on BBC News, tap on storage usage, tap on clear cache, clear data, clear. And now open your BBC app and check the problem if fixed or not. If you're still facing the same problem, then for this last solution, we need to reinstall BBC News app. So uninstall your BBC app from here and then go to Play Store and reinstall BBC News app from here, and that's how we can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5 Minute Solution. Thank you for watching.